What do we do?
Cutting food. Box of adventure.
For kids! Can you guess what we're doing today? Today we're opening up and playing with cutting food! This is what there is in this box. I don't know how to open this up. Maybe like that. Maybe you can help me because with this part, because I think he wants me to record this all by myself. I don't know how to open this part. However, I do know how to take the tape off the box. Oh! Waffle. Cutting food. Contains 1 cucumber, 1 pepper, 1 yellow apple, 1 tomato, 1 carrot, 1 piece of bread, 1 watermelon, 1 knife, 1 bread, 1 cutting board. So, this is a watermelon. I'm cutting it out. This time I'm going to try to put it on a cutting board. This is actually a hand-painted wooden set, by the way. And this looks like some tasty watermelon. Should probably add it to our fruit. Now let's group it. Now I'm also going to sort the pieces out as well. I'm going to put fruits and vegetables, and bread and stuff that is not fruits and vegetables, or stuff that is not fruits and vegetables. So, next up is the green bell pepper. It's corner cutter. Now what group is it going? Fruits and vegetables, of course. You know that. This is bread. We're going to make a sandwich at the end of this, I think. Done. So now it's sort of in the non-fruit and vegetable group now. I'll make a sandwich at the end of this, Daddy. At the end of this video. And get ready for the tomato. This looks cool. And it goes with my vegetables. This is actually pretty cool. But I wish the knife was painted too. So, next up, a carrot. This will be very cool because it's large. That was hard. It goes with my fruits and vegetables group, of course. There's a lot of stuff in this that's fruits and vegetables. This is the cucumber, and what I like about it is that it can be turned into pickles, and also that it is salt and pepper. And by the way, this is what might be some person's favorites. Now it's time to cut. Looks hard. I guess this is fruits and veggies group, as you know. Next up. Can you guess what's going to be next? Apple or bread? The apple. So, what do you want next? Or sliced bread or apples? Apple. This is my one, very cool because it can be many different types of things. Applesauce, apple pie, even apple juice. Now it's time to cut. This will probably be tasty and sandwich I'll make at the end of the video. Last up, bread. So, last up, bread. This is what I use in all my sandwiches, and it's actually pretty cool and yummy, and it's so cool too, and it's hard to cut in pieces. Ugh, it takes a while to. Yes, now it's time for sandwich making. Sandwich making now. Who's ready for sandwich making? Next I'm gonna make my sandwich now. The sandwich. Some tasty tomatoes. And some yummy cucumbers. First. Would be my first sandwich. Next up, cucumber and watermelon sandwich. Cucumber, bell pepper, watermelon, and also a bit of carrot. And last up, and that's it for today. See you guys in a little bit. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment what is your favorite food. See you guys later on our next time. And by the way, this is actually pretty cool. So make sure to buy this at the nearest toy store. Bye-bye. See you guys next time.
Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out all of our other wonderful videos. And remember, if you haven't already, please subscribe.